What is up? Welcome back to Zach Snacks Cooking Channel. You are in for another great episode. Today, as you see down below, we're going to be cooking mashed potatoes from the comfort of your home, my home, our home. This is going to be a very fun episode. I hope you got your ingredients down below ready to go because you're going to be making this together with me. Before we do anything, I want you to hit that subscribe button, which will be down below, and smash that like button and leave a comment what you're looking forward to in today's video. Also, let me know how your day is going. Go down below and check out my social media to my new TikTok Zach Snacks Cooking Channel page. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my brother's channel. His information will be down below. It's called ZAIRE'S Creative Corner, where you turn nothing into something. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's jump right in and get started. So first we're going to start by picking out what potatoes you want. So I have got my potatoes. If you're using big potatoes, I will use between 8 to 10. But if you're using smaller ones, I use between 13 and 15. Just so you can have a pretty good amount of mashed potatoes. So first we're going to start off by peeling the potatoes. So what you're going to do, you're going to get your peeler, or you can use a knife, your preference. You're just going to start by peeling all your potatoes. And after you peel your potatoes, you're going to grab you a bowl of water so it can help clean the potatoes, or you can either put them under the sink and rinse them off. Alright guys, after you have peeled all your potatoes and set them in the water to let them clean for a little bit, now we're going to cut our potatoes and then we're going to rinse them. So first you're just going to take one potato, you're going to get a medium or small knife, you're going to cut it right through the middle and then cut it the opposite way. So it'll be 4. You're going to set that like that. You're going to do that to all the potatoes. And last but not least, the last one. And cut that way. Alright. Now we're going to pour this water out to the sink. And then you're going to set the potatoes back into the bowl. Make sure they're pulled off like that. Open up. Like so. Just going to put them all into the bowl. Then we're going to give them a nice good rinse. Head up to the sink, turn on our sprayer, cold water. And after that, I'm going to pour that water out. Then you're going to need your pot. You're going to set your potatoes in your pot. And then you're going to fill it up all the way until you fill over the potatoes. Fill the water up until it's covering the potatoes. After you do that, you're going to turn the water off, and then you're going to set the potatoes on the eye. Alright, we have brought the potatoes over to the stove. Now we're going to add 3/4 of salt. Make sure you have just about enough water to cover the potatoes. And then you're going to cook over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes until they are soft. If they're not soft enough, I'll leave them in there just a little bit longer. We'll come back right after these are done. Alright guys, after they are done, and you can check by using a fork or something and be able to push all the way through pretty easily. So now we're going to take it off of the eye, and we're going to get all the water out of the pot. So we're going to turn off the eye, and then we're going to pour all the water out of the pot. After you have got all the water out of the pot, I want you guys to meet me over here because we're going to do something else in our pan. Alright, here we go. So you're going to start off by adding just a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of your pan. It's better for taste. I will just add just a little bit of olive oil. And I will turn my eye on to medium. Next, you're going to add 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, and 3 tablespoons of butter. So now we're going to put that into our pan, our saucepan. So we're going to start off with 3 tablespoons. Then we're going to use our 1 stick. Make sure it's room temperature so it won't take so long to melt. Put both of those into our saucepan. And since we are making mashed potatoes today, the butter can be salted or unsalted. It's really a preference thing. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of milk to our butter. And then we're going to let this melt and cook until warm. So we're going to leave this on here, and we're going to just let these cook until warm. Now we're going to go back over to our potatoes. Then we're going to mash them, since we're making mashed potatoes. We are at our potatoes. We're going to grab our potato masher, something like this. And then we're going to start giving our potatoes a good smash. So, after you finish smashing your potatoes, you're going to now move back over to your saucepan, and we're going to add our sour cream. As our butter and milk have melted, now we're going to add our 1 cup of sour cream. Add that, stir that to the mix. Again, that's 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now we're going to mix all this together. Now, after that has been mixed all together, we're going to now pour our milk butter mixture into our mashed potatoes, and then we're going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. So let's do that now. We're going to now pour our milk and butter mixture into our, like so, and then we're going to mix this together. And it should start to really get more smooth as you are mixing it together. Now, after about 5 minutes of resting, our mashed potatoes are now done. We're going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper to the mix. So let's do that now. After this, we're going to whip up our gravy, and then we're going to be doing our test tasting table. Add just a little bit more pepper. Alright guys, our mashed potatoes are now done. Now we're going to whip up our gravy. Alright guys, so the last thing we're going to be doing today to go along with our mashed potatoes, we're going to make our gravy, which I have already made the mix, but I'm going to just be pouring the mix into a saucepan. I already sprayed the pan, and then I put the mix in there. Now we're going to add 1 cup of water and set it over medium heat. So here's our cup of water. We're going to add that to the gravy first. We're going to add a total of 3 cups of water. Now we're just going to start mixing this up. And as you see, the gravy is starting to make. You're going to add 2 more cups of water to that gravy. And then after that, you're going to continue to slowly mix it. After that, you're going to put the mashed potatoes and the gravy into a bowl. Then I'll see you guys at the taste testing table. See you then. Alright guys, welcome to the taste testing table. Now let's see how we did today. I put just a little bit of gravy on it, so let's taste it. It's pretty good. I'm gonna have to rate that a 10 out of 10. I did really good on that. First time making mashed potatoes and gravy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Go comment down below what you enjoy about it. Go also comment in the comment section mashed potatoes if you watched to the end of this video. I want to thank you for watching. Go down below, like, comment, subscribe down below, and go share with family and friends. Now I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my brother's channel, ZAIRE'S Creative Corner. If you haven't already checked out our past few videos, go check them out also in your free time. Thank you for watching here today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.